Today we're featuring something a little different. This is a Startech HDMI to DVI converter. For some of you who may have run across a problem with having an older DVI input high definition television and trying to hook it up to some of the new Sony amplifiers, you get no audio. It's because the amplifier is looking for an audio signal coming back from the TV, even though there is not one, because DVI only carries video. So what this device does is it fools the amplifier to thinking that there's an audio signal. As you can see, you connect your television here with this DVI connection, and it does have an SPDIF audio output if you need it. I didn't use this. And then on the other end is your HDMI. I about pulled my hair out when we had an older Sony rear projection flat panel, bought a brand new Sony amplifier, and couldn't get any audio out of the amp. And after extensive research on the news groups, I found that this is what I needed, and I bought it, and I've used it for about 8 months. And unfortunately, our Sony rear projection was one of the ones that was a victim of the optical block failure, so we ended up having to replace it with a new TV, so I no longer needed this. It's in perfect working condition. As you can see, all of the paperwork is here, the manuals, everything that came with it, I believe. And it's even the receipt that came with it new. Or is that a packing list? That's a packing list. Anyway, this will definitely cure your problem if you're trying to connect an HDMI amplifier to a DVI Sony television and finding you're not getting any audio. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And as always, thank you for stopping by.